What is Instagram SEO? Hi, Queens. Welcome back to Setup and Sell. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're unlocking a hidden gem in your Instagram strategy, Instagram SEO. Most people treat Instagram like a mood board or a highlight reel. But what they're missing is that Instagram is also a search engine. And when you optimize for it, your storefront becomes discoverable 24/7 by people who are actively looking for what you sell. Let's break down what Instagram SEO really means, how it works, and how to use it to drive organic, targeted traffic straight to your offers. First, what is Instagram SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and Instagram SEO is how you optimize your profile, posts, and captions so you appear in Instagram search bar results, suggested profiles, explore pages, keyword feeds. Think of it like this. If someone searches digital product coach or Canva template bundle, will your profile show up? If not, this training changes that. Step 1. Optimize your name field for search. This is the bold text that shows up in your Instagram bio, and it's searchable, instead of coach, speaker, creator. Try digital product strategist, passive income coach for creators, Canva templates for business owners. If your name is already in your handle, like ADELINE Atlas, don't repeat it here. Use this space for keywords that match what your ideal client would actually search. Step 2. Use strategic keywords in your bio. Instagram scans your bio for relevant terms. So make sure it says who you help, what you help them do, your main offer type, a call to action. Example, helping creators sell digital offers on IG. Grab my free sales script below. Good keywords include digital offers, passive income, launch planning, DM scripts, content planner, ebooks, workbooks, templates. This makes your profile more searchable and scannable. Step 3. Hashtags still matter when used correctly. Forget the 30 hashtag chaos. Focus on intentional tagging. Use 3 to 5 broad niche tags: digital product creator, passive income. 3 to 5 mid-level tags: content kit and sales strategy. 1 to 2 branded or specific tags: DM sales, ADELINE Atlas tips. Pro tip: don't repeat the exact same hashtags on every post. Mix them up to reach new segments. Hashtags aren't dead. They just require smarter use. Step 4. Use keywords in your captions. Instagram now scans caption text for search relevance. That means your caption copy matters more than ever. Examples. This content planner helps creators batch their digital product promos in under an hour. If you've been trying to sell ebooks without a content system, this guide will change that. See the keywords? You're speaking to both the audience and the algorithm. Step 5. Add keywords to your reels. Text plus titles. Your reels are not just for views. They're indexed for search. To optimize, add keywords to your on-screen text. Use descriptive titles when uploading. Include 1 to 2 keywords in your reel captions. Speak those keywords out loud. IG uses voice recognition. Example, text on screen, digital product selling system. Caption, if you're building an offer but don't know how to promote it on Instagram, start here. This helps Instagram connect your content to the right viewers, not just random reach. Step 6. Rename your highlights with search intent. Don't label your highlights this or me. Instead, use keywords that match your offers. DM scripts, content kits, results, start here, sales tools, launch plan. This increases your chances of showing up in internal search and helps buyers scan your page and decide fast. Step 7. Be consistent with language across content. If you sell a DM script kit, don't call it message bundle in one post and sales prompt pack in another. Stick to one name, one description, one transformation. This repetition trains the algorithm and trains your audience. Step 8. Use Instagram's built-in search tools. Go to the IG search bar and start typing your niche terms. Instagram will auto-complete with top searched variations. Use these as caption hooks, hashtag ideas, reels titles, bio keywords, This shows you what your buyers are actively searching. Final tip: Instagram SEO is how you make sure that the right people find you, even when you're not posting daily. It's quiet marketing that builds momentum in the background. It's how strangers turn into followers, and followers turn into buyers. Don't ignore this. Build your storefront with search in mind. Because the more searchable you are, the more sellable you become.